Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on Microsoft Teams. Today we will focus on an administrative task in Microsoft Teams. That is, we will see on how to block or disable a group of users on creating teams. So Microsoft Teams is used extensively within the educational institutions globally these days. Teams is used to conduct online classes as well as to accomplish other learning tasks such as assignments, quizzes, and so on. When Teams is rolled out within these educational institutions, IT administrators have to plan the relevant policies that needs to be deployed as well. And one such requirement that I have been asked for repeatedly by these IT folks is that how to block students from creating new teams. This sometimes is not necessarily only for the educational institutions, but also when you look into the commercial organizations, some of the IT administrators, based on the size of the organization, have certain policies where they want to block or disable the ability of creating teams within Microsoft Teams for certain group of users. So in this video, I will be walking you through on how to block or disable a group of users from creating teams and enabling it to certain others in the organization. So in other words, I have an educational Office 365 domain. I will be using that and showing you on how to block or disable the creation of teams for students and how to enable the creation of teams for educators. So now this can only be achieved using the PowerShell as of today. Right, so let's get started. Alright, so let me open up my Office 365 admin portal. So here you would be able to see that there are a few users. There is a test teacher account, the student test account, and a normal user accounts, right? This is the admin account and this is a normal faculty account. So the idea is to block Teams creation for students, or let's say for a certain user account, and the rest of the people should be able to create teams, right? So here I'm going to use the test student account or test STU account in order to log in to Teams. So now here I have logged into Teams using the student test account, and you can see that I have the option of create a team. So when we block, this option should go away, and only certain users should be able to get this particular option, right? So let's do it. So I'm going to sign out. Right, as the first step, I'll be creating a security group inside the Office 365 group. So the objective here is out of all these 4 user accounts, there are 2 faculty accounts and 1 student account, and of course 1 is admin account. Admin account, the policy will not get enforced. So I'll make sure that the test teacher account and this account, these 2 are able to create teams, whereas for this account the teams creation will be blocked. So I'll be going into groups. I'll be creating a security group. The security group will name it as create teams. Click next, create group. Group is created. Do a refresh. Group is created. So I'm going to click on the group, go into members, view all and manage members, and add members, and I am to select the members whom I want to make members of this group. Fine. So there are few users who are in this group. So now, in order to get the script, you can go into this site. I'll share the link and the script in the comment section. And scroll on this site. Like I said earlier, has the prerequisites. I can copy the script here, right, which I have already done and put it into a folder. Right, so this is my script's name. Right, so the only thing that you will have to change in the script is replace this with your security group's name. So my security group's name was create teams, so I'm gonna replace it with create teams. Save. Right, script is done. Next, I can run this script in Windows PowerShell. I'm going to open up PowerShell. I can run it either in PowerShell ISE or PowerShell. I'm going to open and run it as admin. Yes. So within PowerShell, as the first step, I need to install module Azure AD Review. And I have already installed it, so it will bypass the installation, whereas in your computers the installation will be showing by the progress bar. Done. So I'm going to change my directory into the location where I have saved the script. Now I will execute my script. It should prompt me the credentials for my global admin. So this is my global admin username and password. Now the script should execute. Done. So alright, so the script is executed without an error. Now I can go back and sign into Teams and check whether test student is able to create Teams or not. Signing in as the test student, you and alright, so there you go. So the student test account is unable to create Teams. He can only join he can only join a team with a code. Right. Cool. So let's try logging in with the other accounts through which creation of teams is possible. Let me put in test teacher. By logging in as the other account called test teacher, you are able to create the team as well as join the team with a code. So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Please click like as well as subscribe for the channel.